Hello everyone. I want to show you my nature journaling today. I started nature journaling this year. I was born in countryside, but now I live in Tokyo now. There are a lot of nature in my hometown, but now I'm sad because I don't really get a chance to feel nature. At that times like that, I found Japan Nature Journaling Club. Do you know nature journaling? I didn't know that. I joined it February this year. I've sketched before, so I have no problem with sketching. Everything I saw was new to me because I sketched beautiful building, scenery, and delicious looking meal. I went on a trip, but nature journaling is interesting to me. To draw small creatures. I learned there I learned that there are a lot of missed things because I've been keeping busy. Thank you for watching my video. I'll post my pictures and interested things. Please watch my other videos. See you!